Hello everyone, welcome to Mohendra Coaching Center's channel. Today we are going to look at this cue card. Describe an art or craft activity that you had at school. You should say what you made, how you made it, what it looked like, and how you felt about the activity. Before we begin, we are going to look at some of the words that we'll be using in this cue card. First word is crucial. Crucial means important. Next is vividly. Vividly means clearly. Next is grapple. Grapple means struggle. Next is over the moon. Over the moon is an idiom. It is used to express happiness. Next is think outside the box. It is also an idiom. It means to explore ideas that are creative. Without wasting time, let's begin. Art plays a crucial role in everyone's life as it does not only act as a stress buster but also makes a person creative, innovative, and imaginative. Here, I would like to talk about a time when I took part in an art competition held at my school when I was in 10th standard. I vividly remember that my art teacher asked us to make drawing on different concepts. I used my imaginative skills to make something unique, hence, I tried to think outside the box. Then I made a sketch of a farmer who was plowing in a field. I made various thinking clouds on the top of his head. I pictured various thoughts written in the clouds, such as how he will pay creditors, how will he fulfill wishes of his children, whether he can harvest good yield of crops. I made this picture to open the eyes of people that farmers' life is really tough. The price of everything has increased, such as clothes, technological gadgets, but prices of crops are still low. It is a harsh reality of the world that we cannot live without food, but farmers are still grappling with problems and other businesses are earning huge amount of profits. I felt sad and angry while making this sketch. I am really inspired by my father who is a farmer. He gets up early in the morning, does all work in the field. However, we do not get profits like other businesses. I won first prize in that competition owing to the exceptional concept. Our principal hanged that picture in his office and appreciated me for my innovative skills. I felt over the moon and it was a good experience for me. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends and please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.